Good evening. Britain sweltered through a day of extreme temperatures today.
This will hate it, the current heat wave doesn't come without problems.
Now, over the next few days, it's all about the heat again, really. Record-breaking heat.
Oh God, it's cold in here today. You ever find yourself and you looking, if you're anything like me, you're in the middle of a project, you're doing really well, you're doing everything you want to do, and then all of a sudden you go to find the one bolt and you're like, oh, can't find it anywhere. So you're looking through your big pot of all your bolts and you're like, no, that's not good enough, that's not good enough, that's too big, that's too small. You're like, there must be a better way to sort this out, there must be a better way to arrange everything. So you, if you're like me, you look on the internet, you go on YouTube. First thing you come across is Adam Savage's Sortimo organised. You're like, oh, that looks great, that. Yeah, I'll have one of those. You look on the internet, it's thousands of pounds. Even the organisers are hundreds of pounds. Well, I've come up with a really cheap way, as always, because it's my videos, to organise everything. Very little modifications needed. Everything straight off the shelf, literally, as you'll find out. So it's basically the Trofast solution from IKEA. So use the Trofast outer cabinet, and then I've been using the B&Q 20-pound organiser cases. So here we go, we can get all the cases in there. I think it comes up to 19. I've labelled everything so you just at a moment's notice you can see exactly what you want. And you can also get the bigger JTB types in there as well. You can see, easy to pull out, easy to organise. You've got loads of different slots for all your different bits and bobs. The only modification you have to do is you have to cut off the back connector on there so it slides onto the rails perfectly. Now, if I was to do this again, the only modification I would do to that is I would turn these rails around so it slides in a lot better. Here we go inside the units. We've got a lot of slots available for lots of different items to put in there: screws, bolts, nuts, washers. I've got dowels, I've got electrical items, you name it, you can put it in there. It just keeps everything nice and tidy and organised, and it's just a really nice cheap solution that you're not spending thousands and thousands of pounds on. So I've been doing this, I've actually had this for about the last year. I just wanted to test to see how it was doing, especially in the damp, cold weather. As you can see here, I've got screwdriver attachments. It can hold the weight, which is one of the main things I was concerned about, and also the damp as well. So thank you very much.